Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to share how to send voice messages on Instagram. So firstly open your Instagram account. Now go to the chat. Now select the chat. Now in the bottom right you can see three options: plus icon, gallery option and mic option. So tap on mic option and record your voice. Okay, so now if you want to delete the recorded voice, then just slide left and delete. And if you want to send the voice, then just record the voice and send. Okay, so this is how you can send voice messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video.